Hi there, my name is Divya. I've been a certified hypnotherapist since 2015, and I wanted to take a moment now to share with you why. So it was about 30 years ago that I started teaching yoga, and I would notice over the years that people would come in with various things like physical ailments or stress or grief or delights. Everyone would come in with something different. But when we left, after guided relaxation, there'd be this transformative energy that came through the room. Every person left feeling more connected, more peaceful, deeply in touch with something centered inside. And I started to wonder, how do I help people get to that sensation if they would never sign up for a yoga class? How do I reach people to experience that in some other way? And a friend of mine said, well, why don't you look into hypnotherapy? And I thought, well, yeah, but isn't that just for like stopping smoking? And she said, I don't know, but why don't you look into it? So I did, and I'm so glad that I did, because hypnotherapy opened up a world that was so vast, I had no idea what I was getting into. And I'm so happy that I know now. Because with hypnotherapy, we get into that quiet space within the mind. And it's in that place that healing can happen, in all the different ways that healing and wellness can happen. And so, whether it's to help with a physical discomfort, whether you're looking to heal a relationship with someone else, whether you are trying to release from some fear or tension that you've been carrying around for years even, I've seen transformation happen. And people have been absolutely amazed at the ease with which it happens. And so I'm encouraging you right now that if there's something in your life that you're seeing in that same way, something that you're just ready to be done with, or to enhance, then come to hypnotherapy and see what we can do together, because I tell you, the possibilities are amazing. I hope to see you soon. Take care till then.